इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योगा यूएन द्वारा पिछले साल प्रोक्लेम किया गया। ये दूसरा साल है। पिछले साल यहाँ सरी में बहुत ही अच्छा आयोजन हुआ था इस योगा डे का, और इस साल भी कुछ ऐसा ही होने जा रहा है। आइए उसके बारे में जानकारी और लेते हैं डॉक्टर प्रीति मिश्रा से। सो डॉक्टर प्रीति, वेलकम टू आवर शो।
थैंक यू सो मच।
तो डॉक्टर प्रीति, थोड़ा सा पहले तो अपने बारे में बताइए कि आपका क्या रोल है इस दिन में।
Sure. I am the coordinator of Vishwa, which is the main organizer, and I coordinated this. Well, with Vishwa, we have the consulate of India, and as well as City of Surrey, and we organized, as you said, last year in Guildford.
Yes.
Guildford Recreation Center.
Right.
This time it is in Holland Park.
Okay.
Which is even better, huge,
Nice.
and open,
Definitely.
and it's a very beautiful venue.
Yes.
And we are doing this event on June 19th.
Okay.
From 10 to 12.
Okay.
So this is, as I said, we are coordinating with different organizations. Vancouver Foundation is also participating, and various other yoga groups that are helping us as well.
So Dr. Preeti, क्या क्या होगा उस दिन की 10 से 12 there will be yoga demonstrations, and उसके बाद is there anything happening after that as well?
We are focusing totally on the common yoga protocol. जैसा आपने कहा, it has been, the yoga day has been declared by United Nations. India was the leading kind of force in getting this approved.
Yes.
And then there is a common yoga protocol which was developed by the government of India, and we will be following that, which is a group of about 35 yoga postures. And Swamiji will be leading that actually. So Dr. Swami Satyaprakash ji, he is our Vishwa's founder, as well as our guru, our teacher, who is the force behind Vishwa.
Right.
With Vishwa we have done several programs with City of Surrey. Now City of Surrey takes us very seriously. They find us very, because we do with them the Surrey beautification project and yoga projects, and they have supported us.
Nice.
So they are also supporting this time, because we do it as a free community event.
Yes.
Yoga has become so much business, and people are sometimes not really able to understand the true yoga that came from India. Therefore, Swamiji is really a great representative of the real traditional yoga.
Beautiful.
And that is what we get of the purity. We were given the comment last year that we got to see the purity of the event.
Absolutely.
On that day.
Absolutely.
So it's a very auspicious day it's a very important day for India as well, that yoga is now recognized worldwide, and we are celebrating it in Surrey, in Vancouver.
Right.
In fact, this day with Swamiji, he will be leading this as well as in Stanley Park on June 25th.
Okay.
And on July 1st. So basically City of Vancouver recognized it as well. And we are not doing it exactly on the same day, because we want yoga to be celebrated in different places with different groups. So and then also on July 1st at White Rock.
Okay.
So Swamiji will lead yoga in all these places.
Lovely.
Holland Park is huge. It's the first one we'll do on June 19th.
So Dr. Preeti, अगर लोग रजिस्टर करना चाहते हैं, रजिस्ट्रेशन की ज़रूरत है कि वो खुद ही वहाँ पर आ जाएं?
They can come, but it will be nice if they register, so they will get more idea about the event and exactly address everything. So if they want, they can call me 778-996-1807. As well as Facebook में link है United Nations International Day of Yoga Holland Park.
Right.
So they can just find the link to register.
Okay.
So that will give us some idea, because we are trying to get free stuff and goodies for everybody. So once we know people are registered, we can arrange food and everything.
Lovely.
And everything will be free for everyone.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Beautiful. So आपसे मिलेंगे जून 19 को. Thank you very much.
आप जरूर आइएगा.
ज़रूर.
Thank you.
Thank you.